Hey, good afternoon, rail fans. Thursday afternoon. I'm at Rugby Junction. Not my normal spot. I'm actually next to the Wisconsin Southern tracks. And so why would I be next to the Wisconsin Southern tracks? Well, I'm trying to piece together some parts of a puzzle here. I saw a grain train go through Iron Ridge a couple hours ago on Facebook. And as of recently, ATCS is showing that the Wisconsin Southern's crossing over the CN. So I'm speculating that grain train might be here now, and usually it'll go roaring through Rugby and then Richfield and on to Milwaukee. So it's a little bit of speculation on my part, but of course if you're seeing this video that probably means it actually happened. It's also kind of nice that on Rugby Junction they must have cleared the brush back from the intersection, so now I don't have so many trees in the way when I'm trying to shoot my videos. That's pretty slick. The only thing they didn't do is get rid of the bugs, so I'm getting a lot of bug bites right now, but it's worth it, right? Anyway, enjoy the video. See ya.